Hello everybody, from iWatch Repair. In this short video we would like to show you the results of our Apple Watch repair service, precisely the replacement of the front glass. This is an Apple Watch Series 4, 44mm. As you can see, the watch looks like brand new, with a successful aesthetic result and, more importantly, it is perfect from a functional point of view. This is the spare glass we use. We apply it after we disassemble the dial from all the components, such as the broken glass, the special adhesive, called OCA, and finally the LCD display removed from the case. The iWatch is a quite internally complex device. In fact, we must carefully keep the function of the Force Touch technology ring that works also as a sealing ring. Although Apple claims that iWatch is an IP68 device, we kindly suggest not to use it underwater. We cannot guarantee the watertightness of the device. During the repair, we use specific and advanced equipment. We reproduce the original assembly technology and, in addition, we test the device in all its parts and features. Our repair services include pickup and delivery at home, and more importantly, free consultation to assess if your Apple Watch is suitable for intervention. In fact, the LCD display shouldn't have major defects when the display is on, such as white lines or black spots. Those defects make the screen unsuitable for intervention. This is better be established first. Then we provide a full analysis of the device. For further information, please contact us. Thank you for watching.